What's up, guys? I'm really excited for a very impromptu but very cool episode of Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco. I am at Trilogia in Cali, Colombia with Chef Harold Torres, and he's going to show us a very special dish for you guys tonight. I'm really excited. He's been so gracious and so kind. We've had a wonderful meal here already, and now he's invited us back into the kitchen to watch him cook. So we are really excited. We're going to get you back there right now. Chef, thank you so much for inviting us into the kitchen tonight. I'm so excited to be here. This is such an honor.
I'm so honored to have you people right here because Cali is being named as a destiny in Latin America, the only destiny city because the gastronomy that we have. For food, yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it is because, we worry and we do a lot of effort to present the best food in the world.
I love it. So what are you going to show us tonight?
Well, the dish that we're going to prepare tonight is from the Pacific coast of Colombia.
Okay.
Which is most people are African roots.
Okay.
So we call it Longaniza Clavado, which means that we do the rice and then we put it on top of the rice, the longaniza and the costeño cheese.
Okay.
So we got Chef Michael. He's from Venezuela and he's going to prepare the dish for us.
Oh, lovely.
So Michael, please.
Can you, Chef, I'm going to have you continue to explain in English as well as, as he
Not
goes.
a problem. So Michael is going to have the dish prepared. So first we put the fish stock right there. We make those fish stock for 3.5 hours. And then, to enhance the flavor. So then he's going to put the sofrito, which is very strong in flavor.
Now, what's in your sofrito? Because I know sofrito is such a classic and a important part of South American cooking.
Yes, but this type, you can see the strain of the color, the strong, annatto flavor.
Okay.
So we put the annatto, the oil of the annatto, and we put scallions, we put coconut milk, the fish stock, and then we start putting the coconut milk. So he's putting up the coconut milk, okay, because it's the coast part of the Pacific coast part of Colombia. And then we can just start building the flavor. As this start boiling up, we're going to have the sausage, the Colombian sausage, but we grind it to put the flavor on it.
Okay. What kind of meat is this? Is it pork?
It's pork meat with the same sofrito.
Okay.
But we put a vinegar and a lot of garlic on it.
A lot of garlic.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So the next step is he's gonna mix the Colombian sausage. He's gonna mix it up, and then he's gonna put in the rice. The rice we already make is already cooked.
It's cooked,
but it's already colored, so we're just gonna have mix it up. He put the rice on it. Okay. And then he's gonna start mixing it up. We have the most interesting part, which is the costeño cheese, which is a cheese very salty. Very salty, cheese. But we put it in water to take the salt out. So we can put it up. Yeah, go ahead.
I'll be.
Be a part of it. Great. Like 3 spoonfuls.
3 spoonfuls? Okay.
Yes, great.
Okay.
So he's gonna mix it up. There is one thing. We don't put salt on the rice that is already made.
Okay.
Because the cheese is very salty, and the sausage is salty. So that's one of the things. So that's more or less to decorate the plate, the dish.
Okay.
So
to finish it.
Yeah, to finish it up, he's gonna heat them up the sauces, and then we're gonna go to the other side of the kitchen and plate them up. So right now he's putting up the sausage and the Swiss, which is he has the flavor with coconut milk and a little bit of sofrito.
Chef, thank you so much for sharing this dish with us. This was lovely. This smells amazing. It looks so good.
It is.
And thank you so much for sharing this little taste of your culture with us. I really appreciate that. That's so much of what I love to do, is kind of learn about people and places through their food and why it's important to them. So this was such a clever and a great way to showcase that for us.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to Cali. And Cali is one of the most beautiful cities in Colombia because we have a lot of temperatures, different temperatures. And after you go up on the mountain, the food and the people change.
Yes.
So you're more than welcome to come back and show you more than Cali.
Yes, we definitely will. Chef, thank you so much. Guys, I'm going to get this man to write this all down for you. You will find it at caradifalco.com. You will find him, Cali, Colombia, Trilogia Restaurant. And I will hook you guys up with all of his chef's information in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.